Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson from MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2023 Bennington bow rider. This is an L series 23 foot, and as you'll see once we get inside, this is the bow rider series, so a very unique style boat by Bennington. Do a nice little outside here. We got the matte blue with the silver accent, blackout package. This does have the electric bimini on it, and this boat is equipped with the Mercury 250 V8, so really awesome. And it's called the Fastback, and the Fastback is a radius seating, but then has this really cool back here with cup holders, and then it has a speaker back here on the back, so we call it the Fastback. It's a pretty cool design, and the nice lily pad ladder. Now we're going to hop into the inside of the boat and show you that. Okay, now we're in the side of the Bennington L23 bow rider. As you can see, it has a step down bow, so you actually step down into the bow and you're just hanging out down inside here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty comfy. Really cool design. Nice cup holders, big spacious area. It's got a table that goes in here, so really cool. Co-captain's chair on the over here in the captain's area on the helm. You got the Simrad, Mercury digital throttle, stereo, Rockford Fosgate. This does have the RGB lighting package, so a lot of cool stuff there. Comfortable co-captain's chair, and then you have the nice radius seat in the back with the movable cup holders, and this does have the 80% cutout on the seats, so you can tuck all kinds of stuff in there and you can move these cup holders around. And as I said before, it does have an electric bimini top. So come on out to MarineMax, check out this L23 Bennington bow rider. We have a lot of other Benningtons also you can check out, all here at the store on our website, or you can call us at 864-236-9005. Thanks.